Students, in today's video lecture, we will talk about the rate law and rate constant. Rate law and rate constant both are different terms and can be related to each other by simple expression. Suppose there is a reaction in which 1 mole of A reacting with 2 mole of B gives 3 mole of C and 4 mole of D. But here mole can also be considered as stoichiometry coefficient, right? So what is rate law and what is rate expression? Both are important terms. So rate, when we are going to express rate in terms of certain expression in which rate is directly proportional to product of reactant concentration. I will emphasize in one term, that is product of reactant. See here, A and B are reactant and C and D are product, right? So rate is directly proportional to, rate means the speed by which certain reaction proceed, मीन्स कोई रिएक्शन किस स्पीड के साथ फर्दर डायरेक्शन में प्रोसीड करता है, दैट इज डिनोटेड बाय रेट और एक्सप्लेन बाय रेट, राइट? तो रेट इज डायरेक्टली प्रोपोर्शनल टू कॉन्सेंट्रेशन ऑफ ए एंड कॉन्सेंट्रेशन ऑफ बी एंड इट्स प्रोडक्ट, ए एंड बी प्रोडक्ट, ठीक है? ए और बी का प्रोडक्ट लेंगे, डायरेक्टली प्रोपोर्शनल कर देंगे डायरेक्टली रेट के थ्रू. नाउ सी हियर, आई पुट सम पावर in the concentration term. So we are going to explain like rate law is the expression in which the rate of reaction is directly proportional to product of concentration of reactant. Means product of concentration of reactant का directly proportional is rate, okay, or rate of reaction. See here, and each concentration is raised to some power. Means what is this? Each concentration is raised to some power. Means whatever the value of stoichiometry coefficient, suppose A, the value of SC for A, value of stoichiometry coefficient for A is 1 and value of stoichiometry coefficient for B is 2. So I put A to the power 1 and B to the power 2. But somewhere, somehow, these power or this concentration raised to some power may or may not be equal to stoichiometry coefficient. Remember, sometime it can be equal and sometime it can't, because it's generally determined by experimentally, and whatever the data provided by certain experiment we are used to frame here. So simply we will take just a simple example where the power can be equal to stoichiometry coefficient. So whatever the value of SC, you just put here in simple example, not in 100% cases, right now. So rate will equal to, where we know that when proportionality constant is there, when proportional is there, some proportionality constant is there, na? So R rate equal to K. What is rate? Rate is R. Where, how K is come, K कैसे आया? K is proportionality constant. See here, K equal to constant of proportionality. And what is K? K is also known as rate constant. And A is same thing, B का square. Means हमने क्या किया? We put the SC in terms of power of reactant concentration. ठीक है? This is nothing but rate law for above reaction. It's all denoted by rate law. Very important. Somewhere rate constant can be equal to rate, K can be equal to rate of reaction when the concentration of each reactant will be 1 mole per liter, that means unity. See here, when molecular concentration or molar concentration of all the reactant is unity, then rate constant will be equal to rate of reaction, and this phenomenon, this particular design or format or definition will consider as specific rate or specific rate constant. Means when R equal to K, and when it is possible, when the value of molar concentration A and B, suppose it is 1 mole per liter and it is also 1 mole per liter, then rate will equal to K, and this K will consider as specific rate constant or specific rate generally. That's it for rate law and rate constant. In next lecture we are going to discuss about order of reaction, OOR. We are going to discuss about molecularity of reaction and how many types for particular order like 0, first, second, something, and their unit of rate constant, and so many different things we will discuss further in our next class. So till that, just study, just revise all these concepts with the help of videos, with the help of notes, and just boost up your knowledge for further implementation. Thank you very much.